Want to make more money, attract abundance, become financially secure? Follow this formula. It's an acronym. Being a doctor is different from running a hospital. Game. Being an exceptionally good teacher is different from running an educational institution. Once you take action, few things will not work for you. Few strategies and methods will not work for you. And a lot of people, they keep falling and forget to pick themselves up. They fall in that pit, and that pit becomes their world, and they have an excuse, a story as to why they failed. But then learn to pick yourself up, keep walking. You can make a career, a business out of what you love. Want to make more money, attract abundance, become financially secure? Follow this formula. It's an acronym. It is FMRBA. Now, what does it stand for? F is for find your passion. Find something that ignites your spirit within, where you know that you're inclined towards that skill, that activity, that idea that pushes you, that keeps you awake in the night, that can make a difference in yours as well as other people's life. Think about what it is. What are you exceptionally good at? Once you find what stirs your spirit, that is F, find. And then M for master it. Make it a craft. Spend hours and hours towards mastering your craft. Now, one of the things that you need to understand is a lot of people commit this error. Now, they are good at something. Let's say they're good at singing, or they're good at dancing or writing. They are good. They love to do it. Now, love must be transformed into passion. That is a bridge that you need to cross. Because a lot of people start living under this assumption that because they like something, because they like writing, they like singing, and because they're good at it, they will be able to make a career out of it. No, 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 no. It doesn't work like that. Once you know what you're good at, you need to become a master, an expert, one of the finest in the world. When I understood this, I became one of the finest in the world at what I do. I am a super learning, super memory expert. I've broken a record in this field. I'm a peak performance, leadership, and personal mastery expert. I have finished my doctoral program on these subjects. So you master your subjects. So F, find. M, master your craft. R is rewire your brain and develop beliefs that tell you it is possible for you to make a career out of what you love. This is very critical because a lot of people, right from their childhood, they've heard this from their parents. Don't do that. Go to your regular thing, do your regular stuff, get a regular job, and then you're going to be happy. Now, these beliefs run our brain, dictate our behaviors. So you got to understand the power of rewiring your beliefs. You need to adopt and condition these beliefs that tell you you can make a career, a business out of what you love. You got to understand this. Rewire your brain. There are a lot of techniques to do that. And then you build a business around it by learning how to build a business around it. That is what B stands for. You got to learn how to run or how to build a business around what you love. A lot of people, simply because they know, let's say a doctor knows that he's good at what he does. Now, being a doctor is different from running a hospital. Think about it. Running a hospital is a totally different game. Being an exceptionally good teacher is different from running an educational institution. So you need to learn how to build a business around it. And finally, A is where you take consistent, regular action, flexible action towards building this business. Flexible because once you take action, few things will not work for you. Few strategies and methods will not work for you. And a lot of people, they keep falling and forget to pick themselves up. They fall in that pit, and that pit becomes their world, and they have an excuse, a story as to why they failed. But then learn to pick yourself up, keep walking. And that happens when you're flexible, when you're a learner, you learn different strategies and take this regular, consistent action, flexible action every day. Now, this is the 5-step formula that can turn your life around. Make use of it for 3 months, 6 months, and then come back to this video, leave a comment, and then tell me how it helped you. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Take charge of your lives. I wish you all the abundance, and I'll see you soon.